Smile makeovers are some of the most exciting things that we dabble in as dentists because it can be simplistic in nature, or it can be extremely complicated and so many different layers to it. It could be as simple as a patient that walks in the door and just simply wants to fix a couple of small chips with the edges of their teeth. Maybe they want to brighten their teeth. Then again, it could be more involved, the patient that comes in with significant wear and tear from a malocclusion or a bad bite. It could be the patient that comes in with acid erosion on their teeth, where you're trying to restore the function of what they once had. Also, it could be the patient who is functioning perfectly well, but they want to enhance or make over in a way where they are altering the way their teeth look, whether that be with veneers, whether that be through Invisalign and moving teeth into a better position. So smile makeovers we offer, and we love the challenges that it can sometimes present, but also it's a humbling experience to be able to give someone the opportunity to ultimately become more confident with their smile, or even just the way they're simply functioning.